What's up, YouTube? Ron John 400 back with another video. I wanted to change some interior lights. I'm sure you're familiar with these. Why those aren't LED, I have no idea. Back to incandescent. So I bought some LED lights to go up there, and I'm going to show you how to install them quick. So here they are. It is the Sylvania DE3175 in cool white. Festoon style bulb. Uses a half a watt versus probably 15 watts up there, because they probably want to keep it cool up there so it doesn't burn or anything. Looks like there's, behind that white lens, you can kind of see there's 3 LEDs, so a 3 LED cluster in there. It's cool white, I already said that. Made by Sylvania, real good. I got these at Walmart. I usually get my bulbs at or on Amazon, but I was at Walmart today doing some shopping. Oh, those are 6,000 Kelvin, so that is going to be a real bluish white light, diamond white with just a little bit of blue in it. If it were 6,500, you'd see the blue. But okay, so anyways, yeah, I was at Walmart today. I had to pick up a few things, and of course I wandered by the automotive section, see if there was anything new, and well, you know how that goes. So I picked those 2 up. I didn't pick 4 up because, for one, I wasn't sure of the size, and it just so happens that is the size. And they had 3 on the peg. 3. I need 4. So I'll do 2 in this video, and maybe I'll do 2 on the next video or something. You know, after they restock the shelves, I'll go in there and buy 2 more and do the back dome light. Maybe put that in another video. Alright, so anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so I already did the left side, and the right side is the one we're going to do. So you want that off. And then a long time ago, you know, I used to be a BMW owner, and you know those orange kits that you buy, they're like trim tools. Well, these, I believe, are BMW radio removal tools. So inside that, this is actually to get on the sides of the radio, if I'm not mistaken, to pull face plates. But if you look at this tool, it's got a little edge, and if you look at that edge, get it to focus here. Not the top part, that's curved, you can see that, but see how that little slice right there, see how it kind of sticks out a little bit? So you can use that edge to your advantage, like getting behind some plastic and pulling out. So that's what I want to do. I want to stick this up in there and get behind this edge. Okay, so when you're approaching the light, you want to come from the front like that. But you know what? Am I gonna turn that on? Yeah, it should be alright. Actually, you know what? I'll do it. Alright, so we want to push in gently and just pull down. Gently, gently, gently. That side didn't come down yet. Oh, there it went. It wasn't supposed to pop like that, but okay, at least it's out. Okay, and there's the on-off button. And make sure there's no damage to it. That was crazy. Okay, so this is a lineup tab, and it looks to be just the one. See how it lines up right there on the other side of that on-off switch. It's just like a locator tab, and then the two spread tabs right there, these ones, go around those little pegs, which would be, where's my little pointer at? Like right there, right at the end of that pointer. You can just see them sticking out. There's one there, one there. And then, let's see. I don't know what those hooks go to. So there's like hooks. Maybe that's just to keep it from going from side to side. Or something. Oh no, those go on the sides. Those go on the sides. Right there. See that little thing on the left between this trim piece and the light housing? Those slide in between there. I got it. Okay. Alright, so we figured out how to do the light. Okay, so we want to get rid of that incandescent bulb. It looks horrible. Absolutely horrible. Okay, so let's do that. Usually they're spring loaded, so you just grab one tab, and just like that, it's out. Ooh, that's hot. There it is right there. That's a hot one. Hot potato. Alright, let me find a home for this. Because I can't handle it no more. Hot potato. There we go. 2 incandescent shit bulbs right there for you. Let me set these over here. Okay. Let's get this one out of the package. I should have set my tripod up. It's alright. Let me set you guys down just for a second. Okay. Let's see. I don't see any positive or negative on here, but I'm sure it's polarity specific. So let's try this side. Maybe we get it. So you just kind of get like one side in. Doesn't help that I got Jolly Green Giant fucking hands. think that's in. You want the fins. Those fins. These things. Those fins, you want them facing up. I'm assuming it's some kind of heat sink or something. Hey, look at that. Nice white, blue light. Or white light with a little bit of blue. Not a whole lot of blue. Here's what the other side looks like. I already did those. Or did that one. Not too bright, not too dim. That's one thing with Sylvania. They always get the light mix right. You know, and here's something funny, like Nissan, like, let me see. I turned the parking lights on. Can you see that? That's a little tiny LED light that shines down like right here at nighttime, just so you can see what you're doing or whatever. BMW does that. And BMW does it with red lights. And you know, you took the time to put a white LED light in here, and then you put incandescents in there. Dude, when is the car manufacturers gonna say, the people that buy our products don't like incandescent lights, just switch them all to LEDs? You know, it's like, come on. Get with the program. We don't like chrome, and we don't like incandescent lights. We want LED lights and no chrome. You know, if you want a fucking chrome package, we got a special order that one, not the other way around. We got a chrome package, but we got a special order the black trim for you. Save yourself the money, because I know that chrome and that stuff has got to cost them more than just keeping it dull black. Okay, so we push this one back in. Yeah, you want to go up in and then into the rounded clips. There we go. Beautiful. Let's try them both at the same time. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh man, I nailed it. 1, 2, 3. What about this? Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. There's off. There's on. Both of them. Same time. Alright. That's it. That's all I got. Someday I'm going to do a video about this. This home link. I don't know if it's focusing or not. I can't see that little tiny screen. But there's a home link button right there. I can't tell if you can see it or not. It's right next to this little green LED light. There's 3 buttons. 1, 2, and then the third one. I cannot get my garage door opener to learn, or let me say that again. I cannot get my home link to learn my garage door opener's code. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I watched like 2 videos and I can't figure it out, and it's really starting to piss me off. But alright, anyways, so there we go. LED lights installed. Let's try it again. 1, 2. Beautiful. And then of course these are still ugly and yellow. Those are coming soon. As soon as Port Orange Walmart restocks their shelf. Alright. Oh, by the way, I got those at Walmart and they were $6.88, I believe. Part number was DE3175 Sylvania. 6000K. Uses a 1/2 watt a side. I mean, pretty painless install. I mean, we just did it. So, alright guys, have a good Wednesday, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, mash the button, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, Everything is Ronjon 400. RONJON 400. Okay, take care. Thanks. Bye.